The exothermic formation of ClF3 is represented by the equation Cl2 plus thrice of F2 giving twice of ClF3. Right. Now delta H is negative, that means this is an exothermic reaction. The reaction is basically Cl2 plus thrice of F2 is giving you twice of ClF3. Right. Now delta H is negative. Right. Which one of the following will increase the quantity of ClF3 in an equilibrium mixture of Cl2, F2 and ClF3? Now first of all, delta H is given, that means it is an exothermic reaction. Now for an exothermic reaction, if we have to increase the value of ClF3, that means of the product, what we have to do? We have to lower the temperature, right? If we lower the temperature, what will happen? The reaction moves forward in a exothermic reaction, in an exothermic reaction, right? So but if we see the option, there is no option. It is saying only increasing the temperature. That means this option is definitely wrong. Now, if we have to increase the concentration of ClF3, what we have to do is either we have to add F2 or we have to add Cl2, right? That means option A is correct, right? Because it is saying adding F2. Option C is wrong because it is saying removing Cl2. Now, if we talk about option B, increasing the volume of the container, let us first of all see Kc. What is Kc? It is number of moles of ClF3 divided by volume whole square divided by number of moles of Cl2 divided by volume into number of moles of F2 divided by volume whole cube, right? So this will give you number of moles of ClF3 divided by whole square divided by number of moles of Cl2 into number of moles of F2 whole cube, right, into volume ka square, right? If we increase the volume, what will happen? This will have to decrease because Kc is constant. If we increase the volume, what will happen? These terms, the denominator will have to increase. That means the reaction will go in the backward direction. So if we have to move it in the forward direction, we have to decrease the volume. If we decrease the volume, then only this reaction will move forward, right? So that means option B is also wrong. That means only one option is correct, which is option A.